Before buying a toilet fill valve, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many of them struggle with hard water, which can lead to clogs and inefficiency. But the real buyers are definitely talking about which ones hold up against that challenge. Product number 1, American Standard Fill Valve. The American Standard 7,381,125,400,0070A caught my eye right away. Priced at $32.10, it promises to tackle hard water issues head-on. If you want reliability and performance, this is worth a serious look. What makes this fill valve stand out is its universal fit, which means it can adapt to most toilets. Plus, the anti-siphon design ensures that water stays clean and uncontaminated. It's designed to withstand the corrosive effects of hard water, helping you avoid those frustrating leaks. Over 500 people have bought this recently, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You don't want to waste money on something that will fail in a few months. Now, some people complained about the installation being tricky. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions carefully, it can work out just fine. It's more of a learning curve than a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable option that fits well with various toilet brands. Skip this one if you need something that's super easy to install without any fuss. For the quality, it's a solid investment. Now, if the installation issue with the American Standard bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Adjustable Fill Valve. The adjustable fill valve immediately stands out for its price at just $18.25. If you want a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, this is worth a serious look. What's cool about this valve is the easy height adjustment feature, allowing it to be set between 9 and 14 inches. This means it's adaptable to different toilet designs, which is great for hard water conditions. The quiet operation is a huge plus too. Nobody wants a loud fill valve disrupting their bathroom peace. Plus, it's designed to save water, making it a smart choice for your wallet and the environment. With a rating of 0 stars and no reviews yet, it's fresh on the market, but its specifications suggest it could perform well. Now, some users might worry about its long-term reliability since it's new. Here's the thing though, sometimes being new means better technology. It could be worth the risk if you're looking for something affordable and effective. This is perfect for you if you want an adaptable, quiet fill valve without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need proven reliability right out of the box. For its price, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want ease of installation. Product number 3, Universal Toilet Fill Valve. The Universal Toilet Fill Valve is priced at $12.62, making it one of the most affordable options on our list. If you want something that's easy to install and effective against hard water, this is worth a serious look. One of its standout features is the anti-siphon design, which ensures that water is always clean. It also controls bowl and tank levels, which is crucial for maintaining efficiency. The height adjustability from 9 to 14 inches means it can fit into many toilet types. Plus, the installation process is straightforward, no complicated tools required. Although it's new and doesn't have a lot of reviews yet, the design suggests it's built to handle hard water. Now, some people might find it a bit basic without extra features. Here's the thing though, sometimes simplicity is key. If you want something that just works without all the frills, this could be your go-to. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical option that's easy to set up. Skip this one if you want advanced features. For the price, it's a steal. Now, if you want something that's a bit more high performance, the next product is definitely worth considering. Product number 4, Min-Shaw Universal Fill Valve. Next up is the Min-Shaw Universal Toilet Fill Valve, priced at $22.73. If you want high performance along with easy installation, this is worth a serious look. The adjustable water control feature is fantastic, especially for dealing with varying hard water conditions. Its anti-leak design adds peace of mind, which is a huge bonus for anyone tired of unexpected leaks. Plus, its easy installation means you can have it set up quickly without needing a plumber. Though it's also new to the market, it shows promise for tackling hard water issues effectively. Now, some users pointed out that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, while it might not be the quietest, the performance benefits can outweigh that minor annoyance. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, high-performance option that's easy to install. Skip this one if noise is a deal breaker for you. For what you're getting, it's a smart investment. Alright, that was a strong contender. But the last one might be the best fit for those with specific toilet brands. Product number 5, Jamini Toilet Fill Valve. Finally, we have the Jamini Toilet Fill Valve replacement priced at $18.94. If you have a TOTO vintage toilet, this is worth a serious look. What makes this valve unique is that it's specifically compatible with various TOTO models. This means you won't have to worry about poor fits or performance issues. It features a universal adjustable design and operates quietly, which is a big plus. Plus, the water-saving feature ensures you're not just replacing it, but also being mindful of your water usage. While it doesn't have a lot of reviews yet, its specialized design means it's aimed at those with specific brands. Now, some people might find it less useful if they don't own a TOTO toilet. Here's the thing though, if you do have one, this could be your best option. This is perfect for you if you own a TOTO vintage toilet and want a design that fits perfectly. Skip this one if you have a different brand. For its price, it's a smart choice for TOTO owners. So we have the American standard for reliability, the adjustable fill valve for budget friendliness, the universal fill valve for simplicity, the Minshaw for high performance, and the Jamini for TOTO owners. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but knowing your needs will help you make the right choice. Whatever you decide, tackling hard water doesn't have to be a headache.